Rolling Ray, dead at 28, just before his birthday. Cause of death and final words revealed. The internet has been struck with grief following the death of Rolling Ray, the viral social media figure and rapper who has died at the age of 28, only days shy of his 29th birthday. Known for his quick wit, unapologetic presence, and larger-than-life personality, his passing leaves behind a void in the online community. From viral sensation to cultural voice. Born Raymond Harper in Washington, D.C., Rolling Ray's rise was anything but ordinary. Bursting into the spotlight through viral videos, he transformed himself from a social media personality into a household name across Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Ray embraced his disability and challenged the way the world viewed him, turning his wheelchair into both a signature and a statement. His fiery humor and unforgettable one-liners earned him appearances on shows such as Catfish and Divorce Court, where he further showcased his bold personality. Cause of death confirmed. Rolling Ray's family confirmed that he died from complications tied to long-term health struggles that worsened unexpectedly in recent weeks. His loved ones described his passing as sudden and devastating, while praising the extraordinary courage he displayed throughout his life. He was a fighter who never let his circumstances dim his spirit, the family's statement read. His last words carry new meaning. In what has now become his final message, Rolling Ray left a note of resilience for his fans, saying, "I thank God every day I wake up. No matter what you're going through, keep moving forward." Those words, once a simple encouragement, now echo as a powerful farewell, reminding millions of his strength, even in the face of hardship. Remembering his legacy. Rolling Ray wasn't just about entertainment. His outspoken nature opened conversations around disability, representation, and embracing individuality. While his humor could be polarizing, his authenticity inspired countless people who saw in him a reflection of perseverance and self-acceptance. His journey demonstrated that being unapologetically yourself is not only an act of courage, but also a source of hope for others. Tributes pour in. Since the news broke, social media has flooded with tributes from fans, friends, and fellow entertainers. Many shared his iconic catchphrases and clips that brought them joy, while others reflected on the emotional depth of his final words. One post read, "Rolling Ray was more than viral moments. He taught us resilience, humor, and the beauty of being real." Gone too soon. As his 29th birthday approached, Rolling Ray's life was unexpectedly cut short. Though his physical presence is gone, his influence continues to live on through the laughter, lessons, and legacy he left behind. His final words, "Keep moving forward," will forever stand as a reminder of his strength, his faith, and the fearless way he chose to live.